Friendship is a beautiful part of life, and I have been fortunate to create lasting bonds with some incredible people. These friendship stories are not just about the people I know but about the lessons and experiences we've shared. One of my dearest friends, Emily, and I met in college. We were in the same class, and our friendship began with a shared love for literature. Over the years, we've celebrated successes and supported each other through challenges. Our friendship has grown beyond shared interests, it's based on trust and understanding. I'm grateful for her unwavering support. Another remarkable friend, James, and I became friends at work. We started at the company on the same day, and our friendship developed as we navigated the challenges of our new roles. We faced workplace dilemmas, celebrated promotions, and, most importantly, shared countless laughs. Our shared experiences at work have created a deep bond that extends beyond the office. Friendships like these have taught me about empathy, patience, and the importance of being present for others. I've learned that true friends accept you for who you are and are there to lift you up when you need it the most. These friendship stories are a testament to the power of human connection. They remind me that our lives are enriched by the people we choose to share our journey with. Whether through shared hobbies or workplace challenges, these connections are invaluable.